Good morning, Bears. I'm BTV Anchor Kyle, reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Thursday, September 5th, and let's begin with a huge basketball shout-out. If you see Kingston Flemings around the school, congratulate him on making a no-hesitation shot in the semifinals against France to send them to the championship game against Spain. Kingston, a vital member of the Team USA in U18 World Cup tournament, scored 7 points in the final 3-on-3 game, with Team USA winning 21-17. Once more, congratulate Kaylin Brunson and Zach Miller for both finishing first in their runs at Medina Valley Panthers Invitational Meet. Although our Bears cross-country team placed 8th, here's a shout-out to our Bears at Edgewood Relays in Monterey Park this coming Saturday. Last weekend, our Bears football team dropped the first game of the season to Reagan, 31-9. Let's go out to cheer them on tomorrow against Smithson Valley at Ranger Stadium at 7:30 p.m. BFND Bears. This past Tuesday, our Lady Bears Volleyball team fell to the Harlan Lady Hawks in their second district game, 3-0. Let's help them roar back tomorrow against Clark at the Harlan District Gym at 6 p.m. BFND Ladies. Also last week, 2024 homecoming dance tickets went on sale for $25 at Hometown's Ticketing. Scan the QR code and use your S number as the passcode to buy your tickets. All sales are final, no refunds, no transfers, and no reselling is allowed. For all current or past fashion, culinary, or education students who want to get involved, help the community, and compete, the first FCCLA meeting is today at 4:30 p.m. in E105. If you can't make it but would like more information, email Jill Thompson at nsc.net. Also today, join Brennan Fashion for their first Spirit Night at Menchies, Alamo Ranch from 5 to 8 p.m. Follow them at Brennan Fashion on X and Instagram. Bears, are you passionate about working with children? Eager to make a difference in the lives of others? And looking to make friends? If so, consider joining the Texas Association of Future Educators, or TAFE. To learn more, attend the informational meeting next Wednesday, September 11th, after school from 4:30 to 5:15 p.m. in E103. For more info, contact sponsor Macelia Flores at 210-849-9117 or email her at maceliaflores@nsc.net and look for them on Instagram at Taffy Bears. Bears, stop by to see the College, Career, and Military Advisor, Kathy Gonzalez, in the Career Center, A142, if you need help with college application, the FAFSA SAT registration, military entrance process, the ASVAB, or career exploration. You can also scan this QR code. Finally, if you think some of your elective classes will not really help you after high school, think again. Here's a shout out to one of our own BTV videographers, Henry Hartman, who graduated 2 years ago and was in the audiovisual production classes. He went after his video cameraman dream job and works for Texas Sports Productions. BFND Henry. This is all we have for today. And don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears and also look for BTV Bears on Instagram. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Kyle, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, get engaged in your learning, and evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.